Isabelita? Cariño?
Hi, Daddy. Where are you?
I'm on a fishing trip in the mountains, sweetie. It's beautiful here. Snow everywhere, and the air is so cold you can see your breath.
I want to see snow too.
Soon, corazón. Soon.
Who is it, Isabel?
It's Daddy.
Daddy? Can I talk to him, honey?
Mom wants to talk to you.
Okay, take care, cariño. And I'll see you soon, okay?
Hugs and kisses, Daddy.
Anton?
Yeah.
Honey, are you...
I'm alright, and I'm gonna stay alright. So stay at your mom's, and I'll come and get you when it's over.
But when will that be, Anton?
I don't know. Listen, I have to go. But I'll call you as soon as I can, okay? I love you, mi cielo.
We met Colonel Wilkins at a small town called Cascade Falls, not far from Fort Teller itself. The town had been evacuated not long before, and it was decided that we would hold the area while Wilkins dug in at a narrow mountain pass to the south. Colonel Sawyer planned on luring the Russians into the center of town, where we could concentrate our defenses, but there were a lot of Russians coming, and not that many of us left. Unlike before, we could not retreat, because if we did, Fort Teller would fall, and Armageddon would follow in its wake. We all knew what that meant, and were determined to hold no matter what. Even Bannon seemed to have finally found his way. He was quieter than usual, and I remember wondering what was going on in his mind.
This will be our final stand. We have to stop Ivan from reaching Fort Teller.
What do we got in terms of support?
The Air Force will be flying CAS missions around the clock, but don't count on them to turn the tide. I'm not gonna lie to you, the Russians will throw everything they have at us, and we have to hold no matter what.
We'll hold, Colonel.
We've come a long way, gentlemen, and I trust that you will do what is needed when the time comes.
Colonel Sawyer, sir, the Russians have reached the outer perimeter.
And so it begins. Get to your units. We'll teach Ivan the price of invading our homeland. Okay, everyone. This one's going to be tight. We'll hold the bridges until Ivan regroups down the center, and then we destroy them and pull back. Webb, you have the east bridge, and Bannon, you take the west. Parker, you'll support Webb. This is it, gentlemen.
Roger that, Eagle 6.
Understood, sir.
Parker, we only have a few minutes before the Russians get here. Get some fortifications up around the bridge, ASAP.
Bradley APC. Roll, leaving. Armor ready. Trap departing. Bradley, you're driving to coordinates.
We have the east bridge. Now dig in. Thought I'd be forced to sit this one out. I got my knee broken in Nicaragua, and they stuck me as an instructor at Ranger School in Fort Benning. Sure feels good to make a difference. Eagle 6, the bridge has been secured.
Excellent. Hold until relieved. Eagle 6 out.
Troop carrier waiting. Rolling out.
Armor's combat rolling, sir. Sheridan, rolling, sir. Armor's ready to go. Driving to coordinates.
Command, I have a large number of Russians massing. Need fire support.
Copy. Firing for effect. Zulu 9 are out.
This is Webb. I've got enemy armor at my pass.
Roger that, Webb. It's crucial that we hold out until they regroup.
Parker, I'll hold them off. You concentrate on the bridge. Eagle 6, this is Webb. We have Russian troop transports incoming. It looks like they're gonna deploy near the tree line by the bridge. Can you do something about this?
Roger that, Webb. I got you covered.
Reveal hostile target, sir. We need orders. Sheridan, ready for fire that missile. Fire that tow. That tank is through.
Wind mechanic, engaging in repairs.
Armored transport ready. Launch that tow. Your order. Get that missile right now. Tow on target, sir.
This is Zulu 9er. Coordinates locked down. Shells on the way. One fast transport. Mechanic is in place, sir. Start repairs. Unit lost. This vehicle is ready.
What do you want us to
Do
do,
the work with
sir?
the coordinates. Enemy destroyed.
Bradley APC here, sir. Launching tow. Ready, come in. Fire that missile now. Yes, sir. We got a missile ready.
Webb, Bannon, give me a sit rep.
Yes, sir. Bomber been
We're holding the eastern bridge, but the Russians are intensifying their attack. We'll be forced to pull back soon if they keep this up.
waiting command.
I hear you, Captain, but we cannot retreat until they send the bulk of their troops down the center.
Bannon here. We're still holding the west bridge. The commies are throwing a lot of crap at us, but we're handling it.
Good to hear, Captain. Hold in place until they slack off and regroup.
Will do, sir. Bannon out. Destroy the target. Enemy unit in the target area got hit hard.
I'm driving ready, guys.
Yeah, we're here repairing them now. Those coordinates were outdated last week. Over.
Bradley infantry transport. Tow on target, sir. Armor's ready to go. Armor's combat ready. Tow on target, sir. Sheridan ready for order. Yes, sir. We got a missile ready. Shot. Tank destroyed.
Parker, the Russians are making a determined attack on the West Bridge. Relocate there ASAP. But leave some of your people behind. We must hold both bridges for just a little while longer.
We'll manage, sir. Parker can stay where he is.
Negative, Bannon. Parker will be reinforcing you. Eagle 6 out.
Enemy vehicles demolished.
Enemy down.
Things are getting ugly. Move fast. Ready? Moving. Sir, sir.
We are ready to rumble, sir. Trap departing.
Copy that. Heavy artillery barrage inbound. Ready to repair. Move, rolling. Rolling.
Target tank in flames.
Artillery barrage in for full effect. We need mechanic engaging in repairs.
Yes, sir. Armor available. Roger, will do.
We can't last much long driving to the...
Unit killed.
Understood. Coordinates received. Artillery firing.
Unit lost.
Enemy units in the target area are destroyed.
Unit killed. We're going to push. Roll! Armor, rolling. Armor's ready to go. We got a tow on target, sir. Launching tow, sir. Tow on target.
Eagle 6, the west bridge has been secured.
Good. Now hold. It looks like Ivan is taking the bait.
Sheridan ready for order. Fire that missile now! targeted. They got us targeted. Moving. Tracks are moving. Tracks are moving. We're under attack. Hostile vehicle wrecked.
Eagle 6, I have enemy personnel in the open by the greenhouses. Could use some artillery support, over. Roger that, Bannon. Fire mission sent. Stay clear.
They got us targeted. They got us targeted.
Unit killed.
Enemy down. Sheridan ready for the front. Enemy targeted.
You lost a unit.
Get pushing. Moving out. Departing. Leaving. Rolling. Farmers ready. Moving out. Rolling, sir. They got us targeted. Vehicles blown to pieces. They got us
Eagle 6, several Russian squads are pulling back and regrouping. Roger that, Bannon. They're swallowing the bait. We just need to hold a little longer, and they'll funnel their attack down the center. We can do it, sir. We have to do it, Bannon. Eagle 6 out.
They got us targeted. Vehicle disabled. Fall down. Incoming.
You lost a unit.
Enemy down. Bradley APC here, sir. Armor's target acquired. Incoming. Bradley infantry transport ready. Departing. Shoot that target. We're in combat. We're supporting the troops. We need a mission. Fast track, we're rolling. Yes, sir, armor. We're rolling. Fall down, incoming!
We'll go. Fire mission received. Artillery barrage inbound.
We're in combat. We're heading to coordinates.
Artillery barrage inbound.
This is Eagle 6. Ivan is regrouping in the center. Blow the bridges and pull back. We rally at the North Bridge.
Bradley here, sir.
Webb here. Moving toward the rally point.
Unit killed.
This is Bannon. We're pulling back now. Parker, Webb and Bannon will defend against Ivan in town while you secure the North Bridge. This bridge is our only remaining crossing. Ivan is falling right into our trap. Now we have to make sure they keep massing down the center. Watch out for Russian choppers, Parker. They'll make your life difficult if you don't take them out quickly. Good point, Bannon. Parker, I'm giving you priority on the anti-air support. Call on them if needed. Eagle 6, out. This is Eagle 6. We are blowing the bridges. Make sure all of your units make it across, or they will be cut off. Good, Parker. Now dig in and get some MGs up and ready.
Chaparral got the air. Heading out, sir. Hey, driving? Okay.
Farmers ready to Sheridan departing. Leaving. Sheridan ready. Rolling around.
done, Parker. The bridge has been secured.
Eagle 6, this is Webb. The Russians are renewing their attack.
Roger that, Webb. You and Bannon stay in place while Parker holds the bridge. If we can withstand this attack, we might just win the day.
Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over.
Parker, a squad of Soviet amphibious vehicles is trying to sneak across the river on the east side. Take them out. If they get through our lines, they'll be able to report back intelligence about our defenses around Fort Teller.
Eagle 6, what is the situation to the west?
Wilkins says some Russians are attacking through the mountain pass, but they're holding them back so far. Ivan is concentrating his forces here at Cascade Falls.
All the better for us, sir. We get to kill more of those bastards.
You're right, Captain, but we can't afford to get too self-assured. Ivan's main force hasn't arrived yet.
Good shot. Keep it up.
Want a fast transport somewhere? Patching them up. Starting with the repair. Mechanic, starting with the repairs. Patching them up, sir. Starting with the repairs.
Destroy the target. We're available for action.
Parker, that recon squad is getting away. Handle it.
Eagle 6, this is Webb. That must be the main force coming at us now, Colonel.
Bannon here. They're definitely stepping up their attack.
Roger that. Call out when the main force enters the attack.
Zulu Niner.
Will do, Colonel. Webb out.
Bradley infantry troop. Departing. Leaving. Leaving.
We have 0 damage to hostiles in the target area.
Fast tracks are ready to roll, sir. Driving to coordinate. Moving.
Eagle 6, this is Webb. We're under heavy attack by the Russian main force. We won't be able to hold much longer.
Bannon here. He's right, sir. There's just too many of them.
Enemy targeted.
Pull back to the bridge, both of you. Regroup around Parker. I have a little surprise coming Ivan's way.
Enemy down. Get that missile locked. Sheridan ready for the front. Rolling into combat. Rolling around.
Those units won't be scouting much of anything now. I'm giving you access to additional fire support. Well done, Parker. Here they come. Don't call in any fire support on them just yet. Wait until I give the word.
What do you want us to do, sir?
They've got one of your units.
This is 6-pack. We're dropping our payload. Take cover down there.
Yeah! Take that, you red sons of bitches!
Everyone, stay low.
Now it's our turn. Everyone counterattack south and retake the town center before Ivan has a chance to regroup. There's not much time.
Enemy units in target area got hit hard.
Sheridan ready for orders. Driving to moving. Rolling. We're rolling fast. Rolling's departing. Moving out.
established forward positions. Now dig in, Parker.
We're supporting the troop rolling. Roll!
Yeah, look at that! Repairing them now!
Under attack!
Zulu Niner, we copy. Firing for effect. Over. This is Zulu Niner. Coordinates locked down. Shells on the way.
Yeah! We're beating them back! We can do this!
Don't lose focus, Captain. I don't think we've seen all of them yet.
What? There can't be many more of them, sir! I've lost count of the number of vehicles we've destroyed!
Colonel's right, Bannon. There might be more coming.
We'll kill every last one of them if that's what it takes!
Just hold. They'll break eventually. They have to. Eagle 6 out. This is Eagle 6. I have grave news. Our scouts report that Ivan is moving at least 3 fresh armored battalions into the area. We cannot hold against that many.
But we can't fall back! We'll lose everything!
You're right, Captain. I've been authorized to call in a tactical nuclear strike on the Soviet formations.
A nuclear strike, sir?
Roger that, Webb. It should break them once and for all. It's our only remaining option. We regroup at the high school, call in the strike, and get the hell out of the blast area.
Sir, if we all fall back at once, they'll understand that something's up. Someone needs to stay behind to lure them in.
Right. But whoever stays behind will be in the blast zone. It's a suicide mission.
I've talked to the men, sir. We'll do it.
Are you sure, Bannon? I cannot order you to do this.
I understand, sir. We'll do it.
Roger that, Captain. Parker, Webb, continue toward the high school.
Unit lost.
Roger that. Delivering a rain of shells at target coordinates.
Parker, don't fall behind. Keep moving.
Artillery barrage toward the target area and it's done.
Move it, Lieutenant. All right, everyone. Bannon, you call in the coordinates, and Parker will relay them to Missile Command.
Roger.
Sending you the coordinates now, Parker. Don't screw this up!
Command reports the missile has been launched. God help us all.
Is clear to burn.
Mike, where are you? Mike! Come on, hurry up! Mike, we gotta leave, carajo! Mike! Hurry up! Come on, let's go! Mike! Mike!
Captain, I'm scared.
Yeah. Me too, Thomas. We're doing the right thing. They'll remember us for this. Gunner! Target tank, 11 o'clock!
Identified! Servo up!
Fire!
On the way!
Gunner, fire at will!
On the way!
Eagle 6! Eagle 6! This is Bannon. The Russians are renewing their attack, and they're coming at us with T-80s, BTRs, and BMPs. I also see infantry moving from house to house. This must be the big push. I've lost 2nd Platoon and most of 3rd Platoon as well. We're holding, but they're breaking through. I'll try to pull back a little and get them to follow, but we won't last much longer.
Understood, Captain. I appreciate what you're doing.
Sir, I just want to say I'm sorry.
No need, Captain. I'm humbled to have served with you.
Thank you, sir. Bannon out.